Now, following the same pattern as the azalea, we're going to take the stems, as you can see here, and we have this little shield shape going on. We're just going to pop open the inside here, bring this corner down, this corner flat. So it creates this flat square, kind of like this. This is kind of a, call this a water bomb bend here, like so. We're going to open this up, or actually we'll take this, bring it down, then open this crease like this, coming back down. There we go. Now they mirror one another. Now what we're going to do, just going to fold this edge up, bend it over. Basically, we're just going to make a mini azalea. We're just going to skip some, come out and look the same. So, coming across like this. There we go. Now we're just going to petal fold these, bringing the center side up like this, opening it up. Bringing these points down, like so. We're going to do the same right here.